Why do we cough? I get this question all the time. It's an interesting question because coughing is one of those things that we don't really have to think about. We just do it. It's a reflex. But basically, when you cough, you're trying to expel something from your lungs that shouldn't be there. It could be dust, it could be a foreign body, it could be liquid, it could be bacteria, or it could be a virus. When you inhale something that shouldn't be in your lungs, your body will try to get rid of it by coughing. Coughing is an involuntary reflex that you cannot control. It's your body's way of saying, get this thing out of my lungs. So the next time you feel the urge to cough, just remember that your body is trying to get rid of something that shouldn't be there. And be grateful that you have such an amazing and intricate body that can take care of itself. This is the host. And remember, knowledge is power. So keep learning.